dances in a silver glaze. Wheels hum soft on the ocean's edge. Waves whisper secrets, a fleeting pledge. The night unfolds, a velvet stream. Pacific dreams in a neon gleam. Wipers sway like a metronome, calling me further from a place called home. Cruising down the PCH, rain keeps falling, I confess. Lost in the rhythm, wild and free. Night and the highway belong to me. Oh, the rain sings low. Oh, where the headlights glow. Cruising down the PCH, in the storm I find my way. Cliffs rise dark in the pouring sky. Stars are hiding, but I don't mind. Baseline pulses through my veins, every drop a mirror to my refrains. The night unfolds, a velvet stream. Pacific dreams in a neon gleam. Wipers sway like a metronome, calling me further from a place called home. Cruising down the PCH, rain keeps falling, I confess. Lost in the rhythm, wild and free. Night and the highway belong to me. Oh, the rain sings low. Oh, where the headlights glow. Cruising down the PCH, rain keeps falling, I confess. Lost in the rhythm, wild and free. Night and the highway belong to me. Oh, the rain sings low. Oh, where the headlights glow. Cruising down the PCH, in the storm I find my way. Synth waves crash like the tide below. Echoes linger where the wild winds blow. No destination, just the sound in this moment.